Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik. And in today's news, we have an enemy battler of a Wickerman, a Dagon, and Migo from Cthulhu mythology by Uji Masala, a pack of enemies of different fantasy professions by Clark and Company, a heart of a boss by Towariki Fubuki, a pack of pixel fantasy enemies by Otani Komuten and Gotcha Gotcha Games, a character art of a female and a male doctor by Niahoya, Drifter in the Fogs, a survival game about a boy on an uninhabited island trying to leave so he can get back to people important to him. Clover, an interactive fiction about a kingdom of plants struggling to grow after their prince goes missing. Palphon-sama Curse Call, a reality-intertwined narrative horror where you have to gather information from Twitter and various websites to uncover secrets in the game. Buffet Night, an action-adventure about a knight that gobbles up everything and spits them back at his foes. Forest Star, an exploration game about helping a monkey find a fallen star. It has been announced that One Shot, made in RPG Maker XP, is coming to consoles, Nintendo Switch, PS4 and Xbox One in 2022. A pack of generator parts of LPC-style hair sets by Blue Carrot 16, an icon pack of magic tomes and unique keys by Singulari, a music pack of 3 creepy thriller tracks, a music pack of 5 various tracks for games by Sorab Chaudhary, 3 Space Journey related songs by Low Energy Girl, an MV plugin by Napi that plays a common event or toggles a switch when there is no input from the player for a set period of time, another MV plugin by Napi that accelerates and speeds up the cursor movement in menu, options and choices, an MZ plugin by Takeshi Sunagawa that fixes a bug where enemy battlers are displaying some sort of noise on the top, an MZ plugin by Sinrak that adds a CG gallery scene. Next we have some official news. Gotcha Gotcha Games, the Japanese developers of RPG Maker, have created an English Twitter account. RPG Maker MZ has been updated to version 1.4.0. A major update is that MZ now allows creating MV-style sprite sheet animations in the editor. And then we have bug fixes, new sample maps and NPC assets. A sound effect pack of 26 horror and mystery sounds. A pack of character arts and their sprites by Jikun Soft and Komodo. Time Fantasy Animal Sprites by Final Boss Blues and Komodo. Hot Air Balloons and Boats for Overworld by Avery. Growing Plants by Pop Shop Packs. A Sprite Pack of Beetles by Pigsy Russak. Castle of Shikigami 2 Characters and Sprites by Komodo. World of Solaria Style Sprites by Jamie Brownhill, and a sprite of a monster tree by Avery. Next we have loads of new tile sets. Ponds and river tiles without water by Zamu Momo. Christmas assets and snow-covered walls by Avery. A pack of trees, again by Avery. Pixel Fantasy Homestead Tiles by Kaz. Larger Modern Vehicles by Avery. Next we have a bunch of MZ edits by Starbud. A tile set for Tavern Interior. A tile set of Floor Puzzle. A playground or park. Stained glass windows and a cemetery, bedroom beds and paintings for interiors, more tiles for a tavern interior, and fantasy banners. Again, all of these are by Starbud. LPC style base structure kit tiles by Eliza Y. Winterfield's Tileset by Caster. A tileset for special occasions and events by Pepoya. A tileset pack of a steampunk airship by Coco Reflections. A video tutorial by Caswolf on adding custom colors to the character generator in MZ. And lastly, an NPC MV-Ton Sprite by Dancing Kangaroo for his game President Chainsaw. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.